Welcome to the cutest show on earth. Your daily dose of kitten goodness. Today, we're about to meet the fluffiest, silliest, and most adorable kittens of 2024. Hold on tight, because the cuteness overload is about to begin. First up, look at this little fluffball. Those tiny paws, that little nose, and the way they just roll around like they don't have a care in the world. Can we just talk about how they've perfected the art of being irresistibly cute? Oh, and what's this? A game of chase is underway. Watch out. Tiny kitten zoomies incoming. Is it even possible to feel stressed when you're watching this? Absolutely not.
God, it's so good. It's the best burger I've ever had.
And here comes the star of the show. Mr. Whiskers, the kitten who thinks he's a professional napper. Just look at that tiny yawn. How can something so small be so adorable? Nap time has never looked this cozy.
Are you comfortable?
Wait, did you just see that jump? This little one's bouncing like a spring. There's no stopping the energy of a kitten on a mission to catch the biggest imaginary mouse. Go, kitten, go! Let's not forget about snack time. Look at them chowing down. Who knew watching a kitten eat could be the highlight of your day? The tiny chomps, the little paws. This is what pure joy looks like. Here's a special moment. Two kittens in an epic wrestling match. But don't worry, it's all fun and games. Just a few more playful pounces, and they'll be cuddled up together like nothing happened. Sibling rivalry? More like sibling cuteness. And now, the kitten cuddle fest begins. Look at them snuggle up to each other. If this doesn't warm your heart, I don't know what will. There's no such thing as too much fluff in one place. Finally, here comes the ultimate heart melter. A tiny kitten who just discovered its reflection. What's that? Is it another cat? Nope, it's just you, little buddy. Watching their reaction is pure magic. And that's it for today. Remember, if this didn't make you smile, you might need a second dose of kitten cuteness.
No. No. Hot. Hot. No.
Thank you for watching the cutest kittens of 2024.
That's why you have that on.
Stay tuned for more fluff-filled moments. Don't forget to subscribe and give your favorite kitten a shout out in the comments below.
Good lad.
See you next time, and stay awesome.
Pingüino. Queda ahí, pingüino. Oye, que lo coge. Que lo coge. Pues bien.